I would like to say something else too about conditioning, about physical condition and all this. For us, it's very important because we want to practice until the death, until the end. So we have to care now, because if it's only about to jump, we can all go outside and you don't need us, you don't need Stéphane, Forest, Sébastien, all people. You can go by yourself. But if you want to stay alive, you have to care now, because it's now. It's now you have to protect. And we say the word we used to say it is we build body armor. It's about to protect everything, and it's for people who start to be old.
Yeah.
So not so old, but
for us, really, there's no point to do it just at one time, one moment, and then you're gone, you become fat, or you forget everything. For us, it's really, like you said, to last and still be able to practice even when you're old. It's a state of mind. You don't need to do the same big jump when you're 70 years old, but if your mental still keep the same, you'll be walking and be better and better every day, and you build up your experience as well.
It would be crazy to see old people. I don't think so, but already some people at 70 years old do demi-tour. Just do demi-tour 70
years old. It would be crazy.
Can you imagine? It will be nice, and because it means a lot. It means also you kept the kid soul, always playing, always open mind. Because it's not only, of course, about performance.
Pour ajouter sur Laurent, tous les exercices qu'on a fait physique, d'échauffement, c'est pour pratiquer, c'est pas pour rien. Si on fait les quadrupédiques, c'est pour passer les pas séchats, c'est pour grimper. Tout sert à ça. Il faut que leur partie physique sert à quelque chose. C'est pas juste pour un exercice sert toujours. Pourquoi les mains sont fonctionnelles? Pourquoi les trucs? Faut pas le faire bête et méchant. C'est pour ça qu'il
ça fait moi chaud. C'est ce que j'allais dire la même chose que toi. Je voulais juste rajouter, c'est pour ça qu'on est là. C'est que nous on a travaillé pour leur faire gagner du temps. Donc tout ce qu'ils font là, peut-être eux ne le savent pas, mais quand ils vont sauter, qu'ils vont tenter à s'amuser ou jouer à l'extérieur, même s'ils sont venus qu'une seule journée, ils ont gagné beaucoup, parce que l'expérience qu'ils ont gagnée, c'est des années de travail pour nous. Donc sur le plan physique, moral et humain, ils ont, sans se rendre compte, chaque fois qu'ils viennent dans un stage, chaque fois qu'ils participent à travailler avec vous, ils gagnent une expérience en année. Voilà, ils sont concentrés et ils peuvent assumer la suite.
So one point about the conditioning, we always say it's very important. It's all about conditioning, but they want to say, and it's true, do the conditioning, it has to make sense as well. You're not going to be strong just to be strong. Every movement we've done today, they make you do today, it's to be able to move and to use it with the practice. It's not just to be strong to be strong. You need to build up your body, to protect your body, and then apply it, practice. This is to build up your strength in order to move and displace yourself. That's the point, really. And like Jan just said as well, you're kind of lucky. I've been lucky as well, because I started just after them with David. And these guys, they worked so many years doing crazy stuff. And now, when guys like you come today, you just have the best, the essentials stuff. So they just take off all the crap stuff and try to now work on the method with all the essential stuff. So for you it's good, you save time.
Aussi, un truc important something very important for 17 years old people, 18, 19, more you will train now, and more you will do big jump after, because if you start from all your capacity, for example, is here, without training, without to push limits and blah 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 blah, so you do your jump from here, but if you push your potential, you do your jump from here. And when you, because it's like this, it's life, when you will go down, you will don't go down like this, you will go down like this.
And guys, it's not a race, there is no rush, no need to be in a hurry, take your time, it's all about, like you said, like that.
For example, competition is with life, not with people. So it's with yourself. J'ai une question.
Ouais, vas-y.
I have a
I've got a
question.
question for you.
For all people, maybe don't give me an answer because maybe it's gonna be long. But just ask to yourself, why do you practice? Why are you practicing parkour, art du dépassement, free running?
You don't know? tu le demandes, tu veux que je réponde pour eux? Tu demandes leur si
And if you have the answer, do you find what you are looking for?
And especially if you push yourself very high and you absolutely want to reach a high level, find for yourself why do you want to go that high? You know?
Tu demandes leur s'ils n'ont pas la réponse, je veux une réponse pour eux.
You've already got the answer, but try to find it for yourself first.
For me, it's, as you said, to make it a better world for everybody, to make everybody happy.
The way they've grown up as well, so it's hard for everyone to basically say the same thing. But for me, it was a way of becoming myself. It's really hard to explain, but there's a way of sometimes I can go and I can talk. I can talk and I can go off on one, but at the moment I am totally baffled. But basically, I think that, as I said, it's a way of becoming yourself and learning more from the inside of the mind, not from the outside. A lot of people in the world today, they live physically, and they through living physically, which is the outside world, they have worries, they have all these problems, and what the idea is to learn from the inside of your mind. The battle's here, not here, you know. So I guess that's what I've learned myself from parkour, is that it's the mind that I want to progress. It's not, I don't worry about this, you know, about the physical or anything. Obviously you need to condition, but I think it's more, for me, it's in my mind and how far I can push myself, you know. I get up every day, I jog to the beach. It's my life. I don't jog to the beach to get any better. I do it because I want to, you know. It's who I am, so.
Il faut se concentrer sur l'intérieur plus que l'extérieur. C'est un combat personnel.
Alors moi je vais leur donner une réponse, tout simple.
He give you his answer.
Moi je dis c'est simplement on veut partager nos douleurs,
You first
nos peines,
share the pain,
nos joies,
joy,
et se reconnaître en des gens.
and recognize in each other, like you could say family.
Et on est plus fort. De n'être jamais seul quand on marche dans la rue. Tout ça. Un truc simple.
And don't feel lonely when you walk in the street. Even if you're alone, you know.
On est juste connecté. C'est normal, c'est humain. C'est pour ça on s'amuse. C'est clair.
So it's just say having fun and enjoying. That's it.
Il n'y a pas besoin de plus. Des fois.